Hi! In front of me is REALME GT tool, and today I would like to show you how you can resize icons on this device. You need to start by holding your device's display. Now tap on icons between wallpaper and widgets at the bottom. Finally, swipe left or right on this icon slider in order to adjust them. You can see a preview above. When you're ready, just click on Apply, and as you can see after that, the size of my icons has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment, and subscribe. Bye!